Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's topic is about the rules of sum and products. Introduction to the rules of sum and products. This presentation will explore the fundamental mathematical concepts of sums and products. We will divide into the properties and application of these key operations, which form the backbone of much of mathematics and quantitative reasoning. Definition of sum and product. Sum. The sum is the result of adding two or more numbers together. It represents the total or combined value of the addends. Product. The product is the result of multiplying two or more numbers together. It represents the combined effect or combined quantity of the factors. Understanding the concepts. Sum and product are fundamental operations in mathematics that allow us to combine and transform the numbers in useful ways. Commutative property of addition and multiplication. Addition. The commutative property of addition states that the order of the addends does not change the sum. For example, 5 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 5. Multiplication. The commutative property of multiplication states that the order of the factors does not change the product. For example, 4 into 6 is equals to 6 into 4. Visual representation. This property can be visualized using arrays or other geometric models, showing that the rearranging the order till the elements does not change the total. Associative property of addition and multiplication. Definition. The associative property states that the grouping of addends or factors does not affect the sum or product. And this is an example for the associative property. Simplification. The associative property allows us to simplify complex expressions by grouping the terms in the most convenient way. This can make calculations easier and more efficient. Solving equations. Understanding the associative property is crucial solving algebraic equations, as it enables us to manipulate and rearrange terms without changing the overall value of the expression. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Definition. The distributive property states that the multiplying a number by a sum is the same as multiplying the number by each addend and then adding the products. For example, 3 into 5 plus 2 is same as a 3 into 5 plus 3 into 2. Uses of distributive property of multiplication over addition. This property is very useful in simplifying complex mathematical expressions and solving problems involving multiplication and addition. Significance of distributive property of multiplication over addition. The distributive property is a fundamental rule that underlies many algebraic manipulations and is essential for understanding the higher level mathematics. Additive identity and multiplicative identity. Additive identity. The additive identity is the number 0, which when added to any number leaves that number unchanged. Multiplicative identity. The multiplicative identity is the number 1, which when multiplied by any number leaves the number unchanged. Unchanging values. These identities ensure that basic arithmetic operations maintain the original value, forming the foundation of many mathematical proofs and the calculations. Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse. The additive inverse of a number is the number that when added to the original number results 0. Multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of a number is a number that when multiplied with original number results in 1. Maintaining balance. Understanding additive and multiplicative inverses helps maintain balance in mathematical equations and expressions. Solving problems using the rules of sum and products. Simplifying expressions, solving equations, evaluating formulas. Simplifying expressions. Use the commutative, associative, and distributive properties to simplify algebraic expression involving sum and products. Solving equations. Rearrange equations by isolating variables and applying inverse operations, relying on the identities and inverse properties. Evaluating formulas. Plug in values for variables in formulas and use the rules of sum and products to evaluate the expressions. Applications of the rules of sum and products. The rules of sum and products have numerous practical applications across various fields, from mathematics and science to finance and engineering. These fundamental principles allow us to simplify complex calculations, solve equations, and optimize operations. For example, in financial modeling, the distributive property is used to break down compound interest calculations. In physics, the commutative and associative property are applied to analyze forces and vectors. In computer science, these rules are the foundation for efficient algorithms and data structures. Conclusion and key takeaways of product of sum and products. In this presentation, we have explored the fundamental rules governing sums and product mathematics. These principles form the foundation for many important algebraic operations and provide the tools to solve a wide range of problems. And these principles of the rules of sum and products form the foundation for many of the important algebraic operations and provide the tools to solve a wide range of problems. Thank you.